evening, guys. Welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. It is cold. I mean, cold in Minnesota. Let me show you. The heater's on right now. But right now, -4 degrees outside. It's 52 in the shop. And the heater's rolling. Still hoodie weather in Minnesota, by the way. So don't worry. We're not going to freeze to death up here. Today, we are going to be making a project that you need none of these tools if you don't want. You can pretty much make it with your hands. I will be using my hand plane just a little bit, but we are going to be using black iron pipe. All of this right here. I got a bin of random black iron pipe. And this board of walnuts that I got. It is got a nice live edge on it all the way down. I think I'm going to leave this. This is where we're going to kind of do a little bit of hand planing. I think I might keep the end. I kind of like just that rough cut, like it was milled look to it. So, let's get started. And we'll walk you through this adventure. I will see you at the end of this video. If you like what I've been doing, don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. It does help the channel. Let's try to hit 1,000 subscribers by my birthday in March. That would be a great birthday gift. So if you guys could like, share, do whatever you can to help the channel grow. If you're liking what I'm doing, help me out. So let's get to this, and I'll talk to you guys at the end. Alright guys, so this is going to be a project that everybody loves. It has a lot of sanding in it. And I said I was going to be using a hand plane, which isn't a lie because I want to break all these edges, soften them, and then finish it off with sandpaper. And I know you're probably thinking, an old bastard like this, or even like a little guy. One of these little guys right here. But like I said, I want everybody to be able to do this. Not a lot of money, so you can actually pick one of these little guys up. Here, hold it up. Little tiny little planer. I think I got this at Menards. Maybe Amazon. I don't even know. I got it somewhere. Tiny little guy, I think under $5 even. Don't quote me on that. But we're going to break all the edges with this little guy. And then we're going to sand. I'm not going to finish this. I love the feel of wood. So if that's something that you guys want to do, then that's just one extra step that you guys are going to have over what I'm going to be doing here. So like I said, it's just a lot of sanding on this. Get this board. I know it's not perfect. It's fine. It's going in my office, game room, whatever you want to call it. So it's actually going to be this lovely piece of walnut and black iron pipe. And yeah, let's get started. remember guys, if you don't have a random orbital sander, like a palm sander or anything like that, you can do this all by hand. It'll just take a lot longer, but you'll get the same result. Like I said, this is a local Minnesota tree. I believe it was dead standing in Stillwater, cut down, and these were leftover pieces actually from a beautiful, beautiful floor that a gentleman that sold this wood to me put in his house. Absolutely gorgeous. So I was really excited to use this piece. Actually, I have, you guys have seen in other videos, some really big slabs that I have of this same walnut tree. Don't do what I did. Wear a respirator. I probably should have done that. Probably should have found mine and put it on before doing all this sanding. Don't do what I just did. Anyways, so I love all the character. This is going to be the top of it, so you really can't see it that much, but this is going to be the bottom of it. It's got these nice little character pieces right here in the bottom. So let's get to showing you how to build the black iron pipe pieces so that you can use this. So let's get started on this. All of this isn't set in stone. This is just a guideline to make one if you would like. These sizes, like I said, aren't critical, but you'll see here in a minute why I have so much stuff that I might not need, I might need, I don't know. We'll figure that out here shortly. Alright, so there we go, guys. Pull that around. Something about like that. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. So, simple, easy. Looks good in a lot of decors. You guys don't have to go find a piece of walnut like this or maple or whatever. You don't have to find a live edge piece of board. You can use 2x4s, 2x6s. You know, you can just use a 2x6 or 2x8 and do this same thing. Paint the 2x4, 2x6s, whatever it is you want to do. You can actually, let's say you want to, boom, right here, have like a 2x8, put like a 2x4 or 2x6 underneath here. Instead of making these like hooks, like what I want to do, you can make them into another shelf. Like I said, if you hit the studs in these things, this thing will hold a lot of weight. So, all right, guys. I really do appreciate all the love I've gotten. I have getting subscribers and more people commenting. Yeah, shoot me a comment down below. I love talking to you guys. If if you see me out and about, say hi to me. I know there's like 54 of you guys, but somebody did notice me the other day ago in Rockler, and that was kind of cool. So I do shop at Rockler, and like, subscribe. You guys have a great night and day or whatever time it is. Enjoy this footage of the shelf being hung up, and I will catch you guys next time.